Welcome back to Cedoh Kingdom, and in this video I will show you how to make a simple AirPod charger using a pen cap. For this demonstration you will need of course your AirPod, a pen cap, and an old USB cable and some copper wire. These are for terminals. Okay, first I will check the terminals on my AirPod to check the positive and the negative. So if you check your AirPod closely, you'll see that there are two terminals. So there is a positive and a negative one. To check this, you will need a multimeter. So we're going to use a multimeter to check the terminals. If you see a negative sign like this one on the meter, it shows that I'm holding the probes in a wrong way. So let's try. So there is no negative sign. It shows that I'm holding the probes in the right way. So the outer side is the positive way. Try the AirPod on the pen cap to see if it fits perfectly. Yeah, it fits perfectly, and there's a bit of space for the copper wire terminals. After that, I will make terminals using the copper wires. These are the terminals, and after that I will drill two holes. I will make two holes to secure the terminals on the pen cap. Already installed the terminals, so next I'm going to secure them in one place. I've secured the terminals. They are firm and they are stable. So I'm going to try the AirPod to see if it fits perfectly. Yeah, it fits perfectly. So next I'm going to solder this USB. I'm going to connect the USB with the terminals. I will have to bend these copper wires, negative and positive, to make them reach my USB terminal. treat the eye. So I'm going to try it. Let's try it. This is a motherboard from a charging case that I modified it to use it to charge any AirPod. See, it's charging. Thanks for watching, and if you've not subscribed to Cedoh Kingdom, please subscribe, and see you in the next video.